So what is helpfulness? Helpfulness is the quality of rendering useful assistance to others. That means it is a quality when we are going to give provide help to anyone without asking. We give someone something. It is a gesture of kindness to others. When we help others, we are showing kindness towards them. Helping makes life easier for other fellow human beings, saving time and energy. That means when we are helping others, we are making their life easier. And by doing this, we are saving their time as well as their energy. Often, to accomplish a task, others feel inadequate to accomplish. That means we are doing a task which the others they find it very difficult to do. Then, when we help others, we just help them to do it nicely. Now, what is helpfulness? Helpfulness is being of service. That means when we serve others, we are helpful to others. It is doing useful things for people, such as things they cannot do for themselves. So when we help others, we are doing things which others cannot do for themselves. If they are not able to do, we can help and we can help them to do that work. Something they do not have time to do. If someone is not having time to do that work, we can help and save his time, or just little things that make life easier. So when we help that person, if little also help is given, then what will happen? The life will become easier. It is important to be helpful to ourselves too. It is important that not only we help others, but also we should help ourselves. And how we can do that? By taking care of our bodies. There are times when we need help from others. We also need help. And that is a good time to ask for help, and we should ask for help. And why we should practice it? Why we practice it? We all need help sometimes. We need people to teach us and people to give us the strength or ideas. So we need help, and we need that people should also teach us. It is not that we all know all the things. So we want that people should guide us. They give us strength. They make us strong by their ideas. And sometimes we just need a friend to talk to. So when we feel lonely, we want that someone should be there to whom we can talk and share our feelings. If there were no helpfulness, there would be no cooperation. That means if we were not helpful to others, no one is going to cooperate. If no cooperation, then also no friendliness. No one will talk to us, no one will be friendly to us. When we practice helpfulness, we get more done. So what happens when we practice? When we help others, then we do the things safely and quietly and fast. We make each other's lives easier. So if we help someone, we are making his life easy. And if that person helps me, if I am in trouble, if that person helps me, that means he is making my life easier. How do you practice it? How can we practice helpfulness? When you are helpful, you care about others. So when we are helpful, we think about others. Then you don't wait to be asked. We should not wait that the person will ask, then only I am going to help. You notice what needs to be done and just do it. So see, if someone needs help, just go and help him. Don't wait that the person will ask you help, then you are going to help. If you cannot figure out what someone needs, ask them, how can I help, or what do you need? If you see someone, okay, and you are not able to understand that what help he needs, then what you should do? You should just go. You should go and ask that, how can I help you? What do you want? What is the way that I can make your life easier? So remember to help yourself by eating healthy foods. So we can help ourselves by eating healthy food, good food. We should eat so that we are strong and healthy, exercising and getting plenty of rest. So ourselves we can help by eating food, exercise daily, so that our body becomes strong, and take plenty of rest. Rest is also necessary for our body. It's not only work but also rest. So, and remember to ask for help when you need it. And when we need help, we should ask. We should not feel shy that what the other person will think. Just ask for help and get the help. You are practicing helpfulness when you notice when someone needs help. So when do we practice helpfulness? We practice helpfulness when we see that okay, someone needs help, just go and help him. Do a service without being asked. Just don't wait that if someone will ask me, then only I am going to help. Give people what they need, not always what they want. It is not that you are waiting for the person. If they want something, then only I am going to give that person. Just see if any needy person is there, then go and help that person. He needs your help. Now listen to someone who needs to talk. If someone is there who wants to talk to you, listen to that person. Ask, what do you want? What do you want to talk? Okay? And then care for your own needs. We should care for ourselves also. What we want, that also we should have. Ask for help when you need it. So when we want help, we should ask. We should not be shy. So here these are the ways how we can practice helpfulness. Help others, then also we will be happy.